Hello students, welcome back. So as you know that we were doing chapter 7 prefixes and today is a turn of exercise. You have only one exercise in your book. So I hope you all remember that prefix is a letter or group of letters that you put at the beginning of a word to change its meaning. And sometimes when we add prefixes, we get the opposite or antonyms of word. So today before starting the exercise, first we'll see some of the prefixes that how it change into antonyms. So first we have prefix dis. Dis means opposite of. Itself it says opposite. So if we add it before a word agree, what will we get? We'll get a new word disagree, which means it is a opposite of agree. Then same way if we add it before approve, we get disapprove, which is the opposite of approve. Same way we have obey. So if we add it, we get it disobey. We get disobey, which is the opposite of obey. Then place, we get displace. Loyal, we get disloyal. Appear, we get disappear. Like, we get dislike. Organize, we get disorganize. Believe, we get disbelieve. Similar, so we get dissimilar. These are the opposite of these words. Next we have im, which means not. So if we add im before mature, we get immature. Then probable, improbable, perfect, imperfect, personal, impersonal, mobile, immobile, possible, impossible, proper, improper, polite, impolite, mortal, immortal, partial, impartial. Same way, prefix in also means not. So if we add it before a word adequate, we get a word inadequate, capable, incapable, decent, indecent, equality, inequality, human, inhuman, appropriate, inappropriate, complete, incomplete, depend, independent, fertile, infertile, sane, insane. So, children, you have noticed how easily we have changed the meaning of the root word by adding prefixes, and not only we have formed a new word but also we got the opposite of the same word. We got the opposite by adding this in and in easily, very easily. We have found the antonyms. So now let's quickly come to the page number 96, exercise 19a. Here you have to form new words by adding the correct prefixes. So first one is sense. If we add non to it, non is a prefix. So if we add non to it, we get a new word called nonsense. Then if we add prefix dis to the word respect, we get a new word disrespect. Next we have build. If we add unto it, we get a new word unbuild. Then visible. If we add in before visible, we get new word invisible. Then tolerant, intolerant. By adding in, we get a new word intolerant. Then chief. If we add miss to it, we get a new word mischief. Heat. By adding over to it, we get a new word overheat. Then automatic. If we add prefix semi before it, we get a new word semi automatic. Then hero. If we add anti, we get a new word anti hero, or you can add superhero, whatever you can, because we can add many prefixes, but it should have sense. Then connect. If we add this to it, we get a new word disconnect. Thank you.